Are you tired of rats scurrying, flies buzzing, cats digging, and mosquitoes feasting on your skin? What if I told you nature has the perfect, all-natural solution, and it smells amazing? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful herbs that don't just freshen up your garden or home. They actually repel pests like rats, flies, cats, mosquitoes, fleas, spiders, mice, and even moths. No chemicals, no traps, just plants. Let's dive in, because your pest-free paradise is just a few plants away. 1. Planting and using peppermint is a powerful, natural way to repel pests like rats, spiders, and mice because of its strong menthol scent, which overwhelms their sensitive noses and disrupts their ability to navigate. These pests rely heavily on their sense of smell to find food and shelter, and peppermint's intense aroma creates an environment that feels hostile and uninviting to them. Simply growing peppermint near entry points or soaking cotton balls in peppermint essential oil and placing them in problem areas can act as an effective deterrent, without the use of harsh chemicals or traps. Plus, it's a fragrant and beautiful addition to any garden or windowsill. 2. Lavender is more than just a beautiful, fragrant herb. It's also a natural pest repellent that effectively keeps mosquitoes, flies, moths, and fleas at bay. Its soothing floral scent may be pleasant to us, but it's overpowering and unpleasant to many insects. Lavender contains compounds like linalool and eucalyptol, which are known to disrupt the sensory receptors of pests, making it difficult for them to locate food or hosts. Whether planted in your garden, placed in pots around windows and doors, or used as dried sachets indoors, lavender acts as a gentle but powerful shield against unwanted bugs, while also adding charm and relaxation to your space. 3. Rosemary is a versatile herb that not only enhances your cooking, but also serves as a natural pest repellent for flies, mosquitoes, and even cats. Its strong, pine-like scent contains compounds such as camphor and cineol, which are irritating to insects and animals with sensitive noses. Mosquitoes and flies avoid the intense aroma, while cats, who typically dislike strong herbal scents, tend to steer clear of areas where rosemary is planted or its oil is used. You can grow rosemary in garden beds, pots, or even dry and burn it as a natural insect-repelling incense, making it a functional and fragrant way to protect your home and garden. 4. Lemongrass is a highly effective natural mosquito repellent, thanks to its high concentration of citronella oil, a well-known ingredient in many commercial bug sprays and candles. Mosquitoes are extremely sensitive to scent, and citronella masks the human scent that attracts them, making it harder for them to locate you. Planting lemongrass around patios, doorways, and outdoor seating areas creates a barrier that helps keep mosquitoes at a distance. You can also crush the leaves to release more of the oil, or use lemongrass essential oil in diffusers or sprays for an added layer of protection. Plus, its tall, graceful blades add a tropical, ornamental touch to any garden. 5. Basil is not only a delicious addition to your meals, but also a powerful, natural repellent against flies and mosquitoes. Its pungent aroma, especially when the leaves are crushed or disturbed, releases essential oils like eugenol and citronella, which are highly effective at driving away these pests. Flies and mosquitoes are deterred by the strong scent, making basil an ideal plant to grow near entryways, windows, outdoor dining areas, or patios. Keeping pots of basil around your home or rubbing the fresh leaves on your skin can provide an extra layer of protection. No chemicals needed, just fresh green defense straight from the garden. 6. Catnip may be famous for driving cats wild, but it's also a surprisingly potent pest repellent, especially against mosquitoes, cockroaches, and even rats. The secret lies in a compound called napetolactone, which is more effective than DE at repelling mosquitoes in some studies. This compound also irritates cockroaches and disrupts the scent trails and behavior of rats, making them avoid treated areas. Planting catnip around your home or crushing its leaves to release the oils can create a natural barrier against these unwanted intruders. Just be mindful. While it wards off pests, it may attract a few curious cats if they catch a whiff. 7. Sage is a fragrant herb with powerful pest-repelling properties, especially effective against fleas and moths. Its earthy, aromatic oils, such as thujone and camphor, are naturally unpleasant to many insects and disrupt their sensory systems, making your space less inviting to them. Burning dried sage or placing bundles in drawers, closets, and pet areas can help keep moths and fleas away, while planting sage in your garden or near entryways creates a protective barrier. Not only does sage add beauty and flavor to your home, but it also serves as a natural, chemical-free defense against these persistent pests. 8. Bay laurel, often known for its aromatic leaves used in cooking, also acts as a natural deterrent against pests like spiders, moths, and flies. Its leaves contain essential oils such as eugenol and cineol, which release a strong, spicy scent that these pests find overwhelming and unpleasant. Tucking dried bay leaves into pantry shelves, drawers, or windowsills can help keep flies and moths at bay, while planting a bay laurel shrub near entry points may discourage spiders from settling in. This low-maintenance plant doubles as both a culinary staple and a safe, effective way to ward off unwelcome insects naturally. 9. Mint is a powerhouse herb when it comes to repelling pests like mice, rats, and insects. Its intense menthol aroma is refreshing to humans, but overwhelming and irritating to small animals and bugs, interfering with their sense of smell and making it difficult for them to navigate or detect food. Mice and rats especially dislike mint and will avoid areas where its scent is strong. Planting mint around the foundation of your home, near doorways or in containers inside, can create a natural barrier. You can also use dried mint or mint essential oil on cotton balls to target problem spots indoors, making it an easy and effective chemical-free solution for keeping pests away. 10. Tansy is a remarkably effective herb for repelling a wide variety of pests, including flies, ants, moths, and even mice. This hardy plant contains compounds like tannins and pyrethrins, which have insecticidal properties that irritate and repel pests. The strong scent of tansy is particularly off-putting to flies and moths, making it an excellent natural deterrent when planted around gardens, doorways, and windows. Tansy also acts as a powerful barrier against ants, disrupting their trails and preventing them from entering your home. For mice, the pungent aroma is enough to make them steer clear of areas where tansy is growing. Whether used as a garden plant or in dried form, tansy provides a simple, chemical-free solution for protecting your home from unwanted pests. As you can see, you don't need sprays, traps, or toxic chemicals. Just let nature do the work for you. Which of these herbs will you plant first? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more garden hacks and natural living tips, and share this with someone battling pests right now. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the top 25 companion plants to naturally get rid of pests. Happy gardening!